Hey guys, my name's Hannah Murphy, and I'm here today to talk about my Connecting Literature and Math Read Aloud activity. So, the book I chose was A Fair Bear Share by Stuart J. Murphy. So, this book is about teaching children how to regroup tens and ones, and they're going to be using ingredients to what looks like to make a pie. So, the standard I chose was a first grade standard, understand place value. It says, understand that the two digits of a two-digit number represent amounts of tens and ones. The follow-up activity I found was one that was basically just like the book. Instead of using different ingredients that they use in the book, the students are going to use beans. They're going to partner up with another student in their class, and they're both going to grab a handful of beans. They're going to regroup these beans into tens and ones and then add them all up together with their partner. So let's get started. A Fair Bear Share by Stuart J. Murphy. Mama Bear said to her four little cubs, "If you collect enough nuts, berries, and seeds, then tonight I'll bake my special blue ribbon blueberry pie, and you'll each get a fair bear share." The cubs went to the forest where there were lots of sweet tasting nuts. Three of them worked very hard, but the fourth little cub just wanted to play. She climbed trees, she swung from branches, she didn't even look for one nut. The cubs ran home and gave their baskets to Mama Bear. She said, "If we put the nuts in groups of tens and put the ones that are left over next to the groups, then we can quickly add them up." The cubs piled up the nuts they had collected by tens. The first cub had 11. That's one group of 10 and one left over. The second cub had 14. That's one group of 10 and four left over. The third cub had 12. That's one group of 10 and two left over. The fourth cub didn't have any at all. That's 0 nuts. That's 37 nuts altogether. Three of you did a very good job. Next, the cubs, they're going to go and find the blueberries. And if you were listening to the first part, the three same cubs are the ones still working hard, and the fourth cub still wanted to just play. After they came back, the mama bear told them, "Let's regroup them." And so they regrouped the berries by tens and ones and found a total of 49. And the mama bear could tell that three of them did their share of the work. And they did the same thing with the seeds. Three of them worked hard, and the fourth bear did not want to pick any seeds. Again, they ran home and gave Mama Bear their baskets. And once again, they regrouped the seeds by tens and ones. And they found that they had 66 seeds all together. Mama Bear looked at all the nuts, berries, and seeds that had been collected. She said, "I'm afraid there's not enough to make blue ribbon blueberry pie. Three of you worked very hard, I know, but one of you did not do a fair bear share." The three hardworking cubs all looked at their little sister, and she looked sadly at the floor. All of a sudden, she jumped up, took three baskets, and hurried out the door. First, she ran to the forest and found lots of nuts. Next, she skipped to the field and picked bunches of berries. And she raced to the meadow and grabbed every seed she could. Then she ran home, holding the basket tightly in her little cub paws. She proudly handed Mama Bear her basket. Mama Bear said, "Now it looks like you've worked hard too. Let's put the things in piles by tens and by ones and add them to all that we already have. We had 37 nuts. The little cub had 15 more. So altogether, they were able to get 52 nuts." Mama Bear emptied the third basket. "We had 66 seeds. That's six groups of 10 and six left over. The little cub had 25 more. That's 91 seeds in all. Hooray! Tonight I'll bake ribbon blueberry pie." As they finished their dinner, the little cubs smelled wonderful blueberry smells from the oven. Mama Bear said, "I'm so proud of you all for working so hard. The pie is almost ready, and each of you deserve a fair bear share." Soon there was very little left, just a couple nuts, one or two berries, a few seeds, and four blue bear cub smiles. All right, I hope you enjoyed this book and I hope you take the time to read it on your